Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to see which is better, manual trade or auto trade in the Calloway software. Let's go. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing great and I wish the best and only the best for everybody, guys. I know I've been missing for a few days and this is because of the recent occurrence which happened in my neighborhood country, Indonesia. They were attacked by earthquake and a slight tsunami, guys. So what I did was I was involved in this NGO and try my best to help as much as people that I can help. And there's a lot of souls which has been affected by this catastrophe, guys. So before we proceed further in this video, I would like to take just a moment of silence to pray for all those who are affected, guys. Thanks for your time, guys. And in this video, guys, we're going to talk about which is the best method to trade using the Callaway software, the manual trading or the auto trading. This is because, guys, few of my clients which have registered with the Callaway software claims that the manual trading is better for them when it comes to making profit. So here we're going to test it in a live trading, guys, both manual and auto trading, guys. But before all that, if this is your first time here but you would like to know more about day trading, best softwares to trade with, scam softwares not to trade with, best money making softwares, guys, do not forget to hit the like button for this video and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, guys. So without wasting any time, guys, let's get back to our video, guys. And as you can see, I have already logged in into my Callaway software account. My name is over here. My current balance is 2886.23 euro, guys, and the broker that I'm using for this particular account of Callaway software is the Contour FX, guys. And remember, guys, regardless whether you're trading manually or automatically, don't just trade blindly, guys. Remember the fundamental rules, and the fundamental rules are two. The first one would be, guys, before you place any trade, remember to check the economic calendar and avoid all types of high volatile assets, guys. That would be the first step. The second step is optional, guys, but this is the best practice, guys. The best practice is to trade on the recommended GMT time, which is 9 a.m. GMT to 5 p.m. GMT, guys. These are the best time to trade with. So if you follow these two basic rules, guys, most probably you will not be stranded, guys. You will be on a safe side because Callaway software itself is a very good automated signal provider, guys. So if you follow these rules and you follow the Callaway software signal, you will undoubtedly make profit, guys. But if you just randomly go and blindly invest all your money without following any of these rules, guys, then there will be problem for you in making profit, guys. So without wasting time, let's go to the economic calendar and check over here. The GMT that we are currently in is 15:58, guys, and we go down and we check over this time, guys, is there any high volatile assets, guys? And as you can see, there is no high volatile assets, guys. So I just gonna go back to the Callaway software and continue to place a trade, guys. The next thing you got to do is to press on the free technical analysis, guys. Remember, guys, do not blindly trade, guys. This is very dangerous. You got to press the technical analysis, and how to use the technical analysis I have explained in my another video, which I have also placed the link in this description, guys, so you guys can take a look. And this GBP Japanese yen has a very high profit, guys, a very good signal, guys. So I gonna go ahead and place a 500 euro trade on this JBP Japan, guys. So I have already placed a 500 euro trade over here. Let's go to the next signal, guys. Let's go to AUD USD, guys. AUD USD, let's see their signal. AUD USD has a very strong sell signal, guys. This is also a very good signal. You can either see the needle in the radar, you can see what they say, and you can also see the column over here, which shows the assessment of the other traders, guys, whether they are selling it or they are buying it or they are doing nothing with this particular assets, guys. So this is a very strong trade, guys. So I'm gonna place another 500 euro in this particular trade, guys, and I have already yes, I have placed these trades over here, and I'm gonna go down and let's pick another assets which I want to trade, guys. USD Japan is one of my favorite assets, guys, as you guys see. And let's see the radar, guys, the signal for USD Japan, because this assets particularly, it provides a very good signal all the time. So let's check it out. Oh, I think my internet is super slow, guys. Let's just check it out again. Oh, sorry. All right, as you can see, guys, even the USD Japan has a very good signal, guys. So particularly I going to place a trade on this particular assets as well, guys. As you can see, I have already placed a trade on this particular assets, guys. And what you gotta do is you gotta go back to your broker and check whether these trades are already been placed or not. And as you can see, guys, the all three of the trades that I said just now has been placed, guys. JBP Japan, USD Japan, AUD USD, guys. And the best part is two of these trades are already start making profit, guys. So we have done with our automated trades, guys. Let's go on to do our manual trade, guys. So let's check out other signals where we can use, and particularly let's choose a nice signal to use. USD Canadian dollars is a nice signal, guys. I want to trade on euro, guys, because euro looks quite stable today, and as well as Japanese yen. But all right, let's just take a look at a few assets before we place a manual trade, guys. And in manual trades, keep in mind, guys, that you can implement your own strategy and take profit, guys. But I don't think I will explain fully about how to implement other strategies such as Fibonacci and all other strategies, guys, because RSI or other strategies, because this video might go longer than that. But I have already explained it in my previous video on how to trade manually, and I also will create another video to show you guys on how to trade manually expert level, which I explained to you all these technical terms and all these technical analysis, guys. So I'm gonna go on to trade Euro USD, guys. I like this currency a lot, so I'm gonna do a manual trade, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my broker, guys. I'm gonna press Euro USD, and I'm gonna change the lot of which I want to do. And then what was the signal again just now? It was a sell signal, guys. So I'm gonna place a sell signal over here, and I'm gonna press invest, guys. So let's wait until the order is proceed. All right, the trade has been placed. Let's go and play two more trades, guys. The two more trades that I want to do is, I think I'm gonna go for USD Swiss francs, guys. When there is no strong signal or strong sell, don't worry, guys, don't be scared. As I explained in my previous video, guys, you can use this column here to determine whether it's a good signal or not. All you gotta see is the margin that they have from the sell and the buy. For example, the margin that they have here is 11, which is quite high, guys. So I'm gonna go on USD Swiss francs as well. So USD Swiss francs is a buy signal. So USD Swiss francs, I'm gonna change the lot, and I'm gonna buy them, and I'm gonna invest on it, guys. So once the order is successful, I'm gonna go on another trade, which I think I'm gonna do USD Canadian dollars. USD has been very nice to us today. The signals is quite good, and as you can see, the margin over here is quite big as well, 13 guys. So let's go for USD Canadian dollars as well. So USD Canadian dollars was a sell trade. So let's go and change the one USD sell and invest guys. As you can see guys, we have now placed 3 manual trades and 3 auto trades guys. Let's wait for these trades to expire. And as you can see, when we place the let's before that, let's explain. When we place these trades automatically guys, as you can see, the take profit and the stop loss amount has been automatically set. And for all these manual trades, we have not set an stop loss or take profit guys, and the default setting for the stop loss and the take profit would be 100% take profit, 50% stop loss, because this is the default setting for the Calloway software's automatic trading. When you trade automatically using the Calloway software, this is the default setting for the stop loss and the take profit guys. So I just gonna set my take profit and my stop loss manually, and then I'm gonna wait for these trades to end, and let's meet up then. The time is up guys, and this has been a very challenging trade for me guys. I don't think whether you notice or not, but if I were to lose all these 6 trades, and I might have lost all of them if I never took precautions and these proper steps to trade using the Callaway software, I would have lost all my balance and left with a very little minimum balance in my account guys. And thank God I trusted Callaway software a lot, so I made this risky choice. But you are not recommended to do this guys. Don't do this guys. Don't risk all your balance at once. You might double your account like what I did today, and you might lose all your money. So it's a very high risk guys, so it's highly not recommended. As you can see guys, I have won 5 trades out of these 6 trades guys. 1 trade has been lost. Let's check the time first guys. As you can see, the time, it ended around 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. This ended less than 1 hour. And the manual trade did not end by itself guys. I ended it. The first trade that I ended was less than an hour. This one was I ended it because it reached more than 60% of what I wanted, so I ended it. And the other trades took around roughly around 1 hour plus, 1 hour 30 minutes, so less than 2 hours guys to end the trades. And the total profit that I have made today alone by risking a lot, remember guys, is not recommended. I would be saying this again and again guys, this is not recommended for you to do guys. But literally guys, I have made 2028.31 euro in profit guys, only today alone. And this happens only in the Callaway software guys. I literally doubled my account in one day guys, one single day, and I've doubled my account. But as I said guys, if things were a bad day for me, and it might been half, I would have lost all my money and I empty my balance to zero guys. Let's check whether this balance tallied in my broker as well as my Callaway software is not. Yes guys, as you can see, it has already been tallied over here, and the Callaway software has increased my balance as well, so it has tallied all over guys. Let's get back to the broker, and I want to explain a bit about the trades guys. As you can see over here guys, the manual trade was ended pretty much lesser than the take profit guys, but I have made profits over here. And personally guys, I would like to trade more on manual trading guys, because I have a bit control on it. I can decide when to end it, and I can implement other technical strategies as well when I using manual trade. Since it does not have a default take profit and stop loss, I can even set my own take profit and stop loss guys. But for the auto trade, it's not bad as well guys. two trades out of three trades, guys, and they have already made me 1,000 euro in profit, guys. So no worries, guys, both of these methods are effective as long as you follow the proper steps to trade, guys, using the Calloway software, guys. So I think I have been a happy guy today by doubling my account balance, guys. So it's time to finish the video. It has been such an awesome day for me today, guys. I have doubled my account and I'm super happy, guys. You can do the same, guys. And if you have any question on how to place a manual trade, how to place an auto trade, you have seen my video and still you have no idea how to do it, guys, you guys can drop us a comment below or email us at apsocialhouse@outlook.com. And don't forget, guys, you can also PM us in our Facebook page in stock trading, and we do have a website www.instantrading.com where we publish reviews about other money making software very often, guys. Do check it out if you have the time to do so. And this is PD from Instock Trading, guys. I hope you guys invest safely and make tons and tons of money through the Callaway software. That's it. That's it, guys. See you in next video.